Whether you're looking to make some spare cash, grow your following online, or just want a fun new hobby that just so happens to bring in money, we've got you covered. In this video are the 10 best side hustles for Gen Z. What is a Gen Z side hustle? If you're part of Generation Z, you probably already know that those who make the Gen Z cut were born between the late 1990s to the early 2010s, and many have spent their childhood years immersed in digital technology. Let's be clear, however, the lack of ability to use a rotary telephone doesn't mean that a significant portion of the Gen Z alumni crowd doesn't know their way around the latest and greatest happenings in the world of modern technology. As such, they are well prepared to start up a side hustle that will have them laughing all the way to the banking app on their smartphones as they use mobile deposit to cash those sweet Gen Z side hustle checks. Side hustles, on the other hand, have been around a lot longer and have served countless generations with a method of bringing in extra income while also maintaining their day job. From young children supplementing their allowance with a paper route to millennials pioneering new tech startups in their garages on weekends, the concept of the side hustle is simple. Take something you know and then sell it in any capacity you can. Arguably, Gen Z youth had a tougher time than many other groups during the pandemic because they found themselves caught between two worlds, being a kid and bridging the gap to adulthood. With traditional schooling out the window and a lot of free time spent indoors watching TikTok, many took matters into their own hands and either picked up a new skill or figured out other ways that they could sell their time to make a profit on the side. In fact, Microsoft's 2022 Work Trend Index study showed that during the past 2 years, a whopping 70% of Gen Z weren't just thinking about how to find the good in a bad situation. They went after it with a vengeance. The Gen Z side hustle took over, encouraging many to search for their own side hustle ideas to bring in extra money while they waited for life to resume. Leverage social media. Develop an organic following by creating vlogs or short videos to teach, entertain, or share exciting events with others. Or use your following to gain attention from brands who want to promote their products and services. Achieving financial success on social media platforms, such as YouTube and TikTok, can be a tough egg to crack, but even the best of today started at the bottom. Choosing a specific niche is good advice, as you can explore every angle and present your findings to a growing audience. How-to videos, reviews, fashion vlogs, weight loss tips, and more can be good places to start if you know your stuff and aren't afraid to put yourself out there. Just remember, you don't have to compete with Charlie or KB to earn an income. Monthly earning potential. TikTok approx $0 and 2 cents to $0 and 4 cents per 1,000 views. YouTube approx $10 per 1,000 ad views. Design websites. If you aren't a master coder, don't worry. You can learn how to use web builders like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix and sell your services to new business owners who need an online presence. Small to medium-sized websites are often built using website builders and don't require a lot of advanced coding knowledge. Small local businesses should all have websites, so start by looking up the mom and pop shops you pass by and see if they could benefit from a brief landing page or more involved product pages to drive new business. Monthly earning potential, $1,000 to $4,000. Start a blog or look for writing gigs. If you have a special interest in a particular topic such as travel, art, cooking, technology, etc., start typing. Or search online for companies who employ writers to maintain their own blogs. There are countless sites where you can publish your own blog entries, though writing for businesses is the fastest way to earn an income with this particular Gen Z side hustle. Many promotional emails, website copy/content, articles, or YouTube channels like this are written by writers who have other clients or even another job entirely. Start writing about a topic you enjoy and then use it as a sample to show prospective clients. If you start your own blog and it becomes successful, you might even want to turn it into an official business. Monthly earning potential, $1,500 to $4,500. Sell stock photography or drone footage. Have a good camera laying around, perhaps a drone. Focus on taking great images of daily items, landscapes, or aerial footage and sell them to stock photography and videography sites. Sites such as Shutterstock, Getty Images, or Pexels accept contributions, meaning you can sell your own stock photos and video footage to earn income. Companies buy and use stock photography every single day and are always on the hunt for high-quality, original images and generic footage. Royalties for these types of sites typically start at around 15%, and while it may not be an overnight strategy, none really are. Earning potential: $0.02 per image sold. Create digital or physical products. Design and produce anything from graphics and art prints to t-shirts and jewelry, then sell them on specialty sites like Etsy or marketplace sites such as Facebook or Craigslist. Sites like Etsy were created for people who like to make things and sell them to interested online buyers. If you can think of it, it's probably on Etsy, but that doesn't mean yours won't sell. These types of sites enable you to showcase your finest work in order to attract customers, and everything is original. Monthly earning potential: $500 to $3,700. Become a software coach or consultant. Learn the ins and outs of new software products that help businesses increase productivity and then sell training or software setup services to businesses. Software with a service, or SaaS, refers to the process of learning new software platforms and then either teaching others to use them proficiently or setting them up for individuals and businesses. Project management software such as ClickUp, Asana, Basecamp, and Slack are popular platforms that businesses will pay to understand and have set up. Monthly earning potential: $1,500 to $5,000. Become a virtual assistant. The completion of various administrative tasks is something many businesses need and are willing to pay for in order to save time. From data entry to cold calling customers, the job of a virtual assistant is always changing. As much of the world has gone both digital and remote since the pandemic began, more businesses are looking for virtual staff to support their daily operations. Virtual assistants can complete various tasks, including bookkeeping and payroll, lead generation, outbound marketing, email correspondence, customer service, and more. If you're interested in seeing what's out there for virtual assistants, try searching on LinkedIn. Monthly earning potential: $1,500 to $3,750. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Promote products or services that you support and make a commission every time someone makes a purchase on the company's website using your special link. Companies pay commissions to individuals, influencers, and even other businesses for promoting their products and services. There's no limit to how many affiliate partnerships you can get involved with, so start visiting your favorite sites and see if they have an affiliate page where you can learn about their process for generating some income on the side. Most businesses that do will have either a personalized link or a promotional code that you can then share to your own blog, in your social media bios, or just with friends and family. Influencer marketing and affiliate marketing go hand in hand, so if your dream is to become YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram famous, this could be the Gen Z side hustle for you. Monthly earning potential: $1,500 to $2,500. Start a podcast. Just like with social media, if you can talk for hours about a niche subject, starting a podcast could help you earn more of that Gen Z side hustle money while pursuing something you love. Podcasts are incredibly simple to start, and you don't have to purchase expensive microphones or even paid software to get going. In fact, many podcasts are started with just an iPhone, and you can use sites such as Anchor.fm to host your podcast for free. Make sure to put together a bit of a plan before you hit record. That way you're more likely to produce a captivating show that will attract more listeners. Monthly earning potential: $4,500 to $6,700. Serve a need in your community. If you're looking for physical side hustle ideas, consider what's needed right outside your door. From shoveling snow and mowing lawns to cleaning windows and walking dogs, someone always needs a hand with something. You might be surprised by the opportunities right in your home city. People pay for dog walking, house sitting, yard maintenance, handyman services, and much, much more every day, and you could make a decent business out of being the neighborhood's go-to for odd jobs. There are also multiple sites built for community needs, such as Rover for dog walking, Mind Me House for house sitting, and Bark for general handyman services. Monthly earning potential, $500 to $2,000.